Let's see. I don't know where you two are, so this is scaring me. Plus, I don't know if I really like this plane. It's pretty ugly. And you shred me. I can't pull up. I'm dead. Just fuck you. Just fuck you.
Oh crap! He hit my engine. Mayday, mayday!
I
We're
give
going
up.
down.
I'm getting off. Goodbye.
No, you're not.
You're that damn jet again.
No, I'm not.
You know, let's play.
Okay.
No, actually, let's bring something bigger.
Okay.
Since I have bigger tanks than both of you.
You tanks? Oh, tanks. Oh, I picked a bad choice.
Mm-hmm.
I picked
Well,
a
you do have
bad
a
choice.
tiger. You do have a tiger.
No, I'm in my Russians. I don't have a tiger.
Oh, you're in your Russians. Oh yeah,
Huh.
the yak.
But
No.
Tiger P beats regular Tiger.
Press tab. Look at what I'm in and what he's in.
Yeah, I know.
He's in
Okay.
a... What? Are you... Oh. You're the stupid truck.
Toby spotted going in for attack run.
No. You go away.
Where are you, Toby? Just out of curiosity. No reason.
Just look at me and you'll see.
I'm somewhere.
Alright, I see dragon.
Oh, hi.
Nope.
Bombing run!
You missed.
Nope.
This is funny. Run, baby, run.
Nope.
Hey, guess what?
Can you not? We're friends here. We're all friends here, buddies.
We're all friends.
Oh, I hit a rock. That's not good.
You know I missed? So I can fire HE at you.
Can't you just switch between?
I just...
That's my driver. And my gunner. And my everything. Oh.
You should
Tiger
bring your
P
tiger.
wins.
You should bring your tiger and see who better, the Tiger P or the tiger.
Tiger P has better frontal armor.
Yeah, but
And
it's
then they
weaker
both have the
turret.
same... No, they have the same turret.
Oh yeah, true, true.
Do they have the same turret? Yeah, they do.
Yeah.